Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I'm Jakita, and welcome to my series, 30 Days of Yoga with This Curvi Yogi. And so today we are going to work on splits, a little bit of Hanumanasa. And what you'll need for this practice is 2 blocks and your mat. So go grab those and we'll get started. So we'll start at the top of the mat, starting in mountain pose. So your feet are about hip width apart, hands down by your side. We'll inhale and bring the arms out and up. On the exhale, we'll sit into chair pose. Just imagining you have an imaginary seat behind you. Inhale. Exhale, we'll come into a forward fold. Inhale. Exhale back up to chair pose. Then we'll lift the right leg, step it back, plant it down, straighten the front knee. We'll reach forward and then down, coming into pyramid pose. Just getting into the hamstrings, the whole back side of the leg. And don't forget to breathe. And then rising back up, and we'll step forward, arms down by your side, back into mountain pose. We'll repeat that on the other side. So inhale the arms up, exhale as you sit into chair. Inhale, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, back up to chair. And we'll step the left foot back, plant it down, straighten the front knee, reach forward with the arms, and down, and place the hands by your foot, coming back into pyramid pose. And breathe. And we'll reach back up, step forward, bring the arms back down by your side. So back in mountain pose. Inhale the arms up. Exhale as we bring them out and down. And then we'll plant the hands and step that right foot back and lower the knee down. Then we're going to sink the hips forward, bring the arms up, coming into a low lunge. Make sure the knee is stacked over the ankle, not further. And bringing the hands back, straightening the front leg, drawing the toes back towards your body. And breathe. And back forward to your lunge. Arms up and back. Draw the toes up. Breathe. And we'll bend the knee, bring the hands to the inside of the foot. Bring that left knee down to the right to meet the right. And we'll move the hands over, bring the right foot to the outside of the hand. And then coming up for another low lunge on the opposite side. And then back, straightening the front leg and drawing the toes up. Coming forward into your lunge. And back. Toes up. And we'll come forward, bring the hands to the inside, and bring the right knee in. From here, before we get into the split, we'll do a couple of rounds of cat and cow. So on the inhale, drop the belly, pull the chest forward. Exhale, press the floor away, curl the upper back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale.
Any ideas?
Exhale. And coming back to neutral, we'll bring the hands over again. Starting with the right foot on the outside. From here, you can grab your blocks. Just for a little bit of stability, you can put them on both sides of the leg. You're just gonna walk the right foot forward. Walk it forward. Your blocks may go with it. Sliding the back leg back. Coming down into your split. And then coming back up. Walking the foot back up, taking your time. The blocks off and we'll switch legs. Left foot comes forward, grab your blocks again. And just slowly walk that left foot forward. You may slide the back leg back a little. Pushing forward. Back into your split. And then coming back up. And that was splits. So I'm going to show you an option to use with blankets or with pillows for the split because it's such a big hip opener. So if you want to get into the shape and just have a little bit of cushion underneath you, stay tuned and I'll show you that variation. So I have two pillows here, two pretty big pillows, and that's just going to provide a little bit of cushion if I want to try to get into splits, but my hips are a little bit tight. So you're going to put your right foot over the pillows or blankets, whatever you use. And you're going to do the same thing with your blocks. Have them on the side for your guide. Just slide that right foot forward. So the pillows provide a little bit of cushion for your split. And it'll allow you to kind of stay there a little longer. And then you can come back up. The blocks off and come back over. So that's just a variation that you can try on your own if the split is a little bit of too much of a hip opener. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below, and also tap the bell so that you can get all of my notifications. And as I said before, you can piece together all of these sequences, make your own yoga flow at home, and I hope you'll check out the other videos I have, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.